Hi, it's Jackie Hart here from Landscape Ontario. Just wanted to share a little bit with you about the Prosperity Partners program. What you can learn in a one-day workshop, it is packed full of business management tools that will help guide you to improve your business and to know what's coming next. A great toolbox, get over 20 tools to give you a chance to understand how to move your business to the next level and to know what you don't know. I think that's the biggest challenge when you're running a business. You kind of feel alone and you're not too sure what to do next or what's driving maybe results that aren't as great as you want and how to improve and move forward. So we have the Prosperity Partners program just for you. It's about navigating your business for success. It's a one-day workshop, and you will leave with a workbook full of ideas and just the tools that you need to move to your own next level.